So around 1960s, when there was this African Renaissance liberation, there was also a rallying cry, missionaries, go home. There was then a feeling that, with missionaries gone, now we can just worship in our own way and do what we used to do before they came. Mm-hmm. But they realized later that Christianity even spread further and more deeply into Africa, even in the absence of missionaries. And the
Who
question
was propelling it now?
Yeah, and the question was, what's happening?
Yeah.
So African Christianity now becomes the bulwark.
All right.
In other words, Africans chased the missionaries, but they retained the gospel.
Okay. That
the missionaries had presented, and not only retained it, contextualized it.
Okay.
So we have the project of contextualization and enculturation is not a finished one. It's ongoing, dynamic. But then we have, you can see now the rise of, in the 1900s, the ZCC, the what in South Africa, the independent churches, the apostolic churches. You see what is happening?
Yes.
As the missionaries were leaving, there was a mushrooming of these independent, apostolic, powerful churches that are still in existence today. And what you see amongst them, the common, they were more rooted in the Old Testament. So the whole Sabbath thing will be brought in, and the Zion and whatever, and then then the Messiah, but then the figures there who were supposed to be that Messiah. In other words, they say there was a Messiah for the Jews, so I'm the Messiah for the Africans.
Yes.
Yes. And in many